Hey there! Are you looking for a natural way to boost your brain health and improve your overall well-being? Well, look no further, because today we're diving into the incredible benefits of the lion's mane mushroom. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative videos, and let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of the lion's mane mushroom. The lion's mane mushroom, scientifically known as Hericium erinaceus, is a magnificent fungus that not only resembles a lion's mane, but also holds a world of benefits for our health. Let's explore. Did you know that the lion's mane mushroom has been shown to boost brain power? Studies indicate that its unique compounds can stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, enhancing cognitive function and aiding in memory improvement. So if you're preparing for an important exam or just want to stay mentally sharp, the lion's mane mushroom might be your secret weapon. Feeling stressed or anxious? Lion's mane has got you covered. This incredible mushroom contains bioactive substances that promote a sense of calmness and overall well-being. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to combat anxiety and depression. So, next time you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, why not consider adding lion's mane to your daily routine? It's no secret that maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for a healthy life. And guess what? The lion's mane mushroom can help. This powerhouse fungus contains beta-glucans, which have been shown to enhance immune function and protect against various infections and diseases. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your body's defenses, lion's mane might just be what you need. Now that you're aware of the amazing benefits of lion's mane, let's talk about how to use it and some precautions to keep in mind. Lion's mane isn't just beneficial for your health, it can also satisfy your taste buds. This versatile mushroom can be used in various culinary creations, adding a unique flavor and texture. So whether you're a foodie looking to experiment or simply want to incorporate it into your daily meals, lion's mane can be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. While lion's mane mushroom is generally safe, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, make sure to purchase high-quality lion's mane products from reputable sources to ensure its potency and safety. Your health should always be a priority. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of the lion's mane mushroom, how to use it, and some key precautions to keep in mind. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and harness the power of this extraordinary fungus to boost your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and embrace the wonders of nature. See you soon.